This video will show you how to push the changes from a template, specifically the task type and resource type, to all the other projects that are using that template. In this example, we're going to use this template, email drip campaign, and this task. What we're going to do is we're going to edit this task so that it includes a new or specific task type. We're going to do programming, and then in resources, we're going to change this to project manager, and I'm going to hit save. So since I have many projects in my system that are using this template, but they didn't have that change of those two, of the resource type and the task type. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to update all my tasks from this task in this template. So as I click this, it's going to show me all the different things that I could update the tasks from this template. So these are all the tasks that are using this template that are the edit task. So this is the name of the task here. See, I've got quite a lot of tasks using that. I'm going to uncheck everything that I don't want. I don't want to update the WBS. I don't want to update the name, duration, none of this stuff. Work hours, no. Predecessors, no. Don't want to change the summary task. Resource type and task type, that's what I want to change. I'll leave everything else unchanged. It's our best practice to uncheck anything, to only check things that you want to change, even if you think that they might be the same, but just uncheck everything else. Now, you can see we've got a lot of other tasks down here. These are all the tasks, all the ones called edit that are using this template. Now I'm going to hit update tasks. You can see we'll get a good view here of what we'll go into a couple of the tasks afterwards, but it's just going to take a moment here. And there we go. The selected tasks have been updated or created. So we didn't create any, we just updated some. I'll hit done. And now let's go into a project that's using the template, and let's go to the edit task on that project. Go to my project list. If I go to this project, you can see it's using email drip campaign, and just to verify, if I edit the project, it's using that template. Now let's go to the edit task. And now if I edit this, you can see I've got the programming task type and I've got the project manager resource type. And that has been pushed to all of the other tasks that are using the email drip campaign on the edit task only. So it is task by task, and you'll have to push this for any and all tasks that are using that template. But that is the process for going through and updating that. And for more questions about how to use the update tasks from template, please check out our YouTube channel with additional videos.